Looks like the clutch needs some attention, but for 20 bucks, I don't think we can expect it to be perfect.